Radio show is called Shawn Parr's Across the Country, and it's been so exciting to do that. You know, my entire life, they knew me by my hair. It was just always styled. It was always big. I was the long-haired surf cat from Southern California. As I started to get into my 40s, that's when I really started to notice. When people would take pictures from certain angles, I would cringe sometimes, thinking about, and I can really notice that big bald spot up, especially on top. And now, I mean, I'm not worried about it all. Take a picture any angle, anytime, I don't care. I'm having a ball. When I go to play golf, because I'm a golfaholic, I don't want to wear a hat because I don't want to mess up my hair. And it seems like you're doing a virtual call just about every day, and you're sitting there talking to an artist or a record label, and the first thing they say is, "Man, your hair looks good today." That's got to make you feel pretty good. When I first came in, we talked about several different options. We talked about the robot and, you know, doing that procedure, or hair grafting, which I immediately gravitated to because I thought I would get a better result, and I felt more comfortable with that. And that's what I was looking for, as much hair as I could possibly get, and that right there was my best option. You know, the amazing thing is that the year went by so fast. At first I thought, oh my gosh, you know, this is gonna take forever. I was shocked, first of all, at how fast the hair started to grow. All my friends would say, "Man, your hair looks great. What are you doing?" Now, all of a sudden, I'm doing television again, and when I can step onto set and our hairstylist and our makeup person immediately compliments my hair, saying, you know, I really don't have to do anything because your hair is perfect, that is the best in the entire world. Well, the night before the surgery, I didn't get much sleep. There was this part of me that was nervous because I'd never done a procedure like this before. So surgery day, when I walked in and saw everybody smiling and how you doing and come on in, and I never felt more comfortable. The process has been painstakingly easy and simple, and I just don't know why anybody would not want to do this. It's too simple to not do. Everything that was told to me on the paper that I'm given, it's day 1 through 3, day 3 through 5. It was by the book. A simple process that took no time at all. And before I knew it, I was wearing ball caps, I was playing golf. I had no issues whatsoever. On a scale of 1 to 10 for discomfort, I would say during the procedure, 0. Once I got home, I took some Tylenol and had no issues after that. I wouldn't even take the pain pills because I didn't need them. On a scale of 1 to 10, as far as the next couple of days, I would say a 2, maybe, if I had to stretch it, because it just wasn't that bad at all. And that's not what I was expecting. You know, the interesting thing is, I could have my hair done anywhere. My wife has to read reviews. She wants to see results. We went on the website, and there are hundreds of pictures. You get tired of looking at pictures. There's so many people in the last 27 years, and they're all right there. I feel good, and I've never, ever felt the confidence that I have now. Building the confidence in me, that I can sit down and know that this is my hair. This is everything that I've wanted. Being confident and being able to get into the industry and sit down in front of your peers and not have to worry about your appearance, that right there is worth its weight in gold.